Good morning. Welcome to Proceeding Onward in America. Well, it finally came. We ordered this a couple of days ago. It's time to show it off. The fan-tastic fan. Yeah, let's get to it. The fan-tastic fan. So, today I am going to open them up, take out the pieces, and basically bring y'all along with me. And we're gonna try to install this in the vent right over our bed because it's getting too hot, and the one in the back is really not doing a lot of work. So we thinking two should do better, like we discussed in our other video, hopefully up there. So we're gonna install this today. I am gonna take y'all along for the journey. Let's go. First, let's open this and see what's inside. We got the wiring kit to wire it up. This would be the bottom harness. Ooh, not good. And this would be the fan itself. The top. We got black, but we got a rain dome over it. It won't really matter anyway. And then we got the fan here, 3-speed. This looked like the fuse. Manual pull-up top. Holy crap, wait a minute. I thought this was supposed to be in and out. Hold up, pause. Oh, sorry about that. I ended up cutting the video short because I got a little bit upset. And then I had to go quickly run to the UPS store to return it. It turns out I ordered the wrong model, the 801-200 instead of the 801-250. The difference with the two right here is the reverse switch. The 801-200 don't have a reverse switch, and the 801-250 does. So as I opened the box, as y'all saw, the first thing I noticed was I didn't see a reverse switch. Then I had to go research through all the stuff that I just used to order it. So I had to put in a request to return it and then order the 801-250 with the reverse switch. And this time I make sure it was. Sorry I didn't take you on a journey with me. I just threw it in the car. I thought the UPS place was nearby. I had to drive all the way to the UPS store, and that was like about a 45-50 minute drive. How should I say that? So right now I'm about to receive it again. Well, at least you're gonna see it. Like right now, the fan-tastic fan, the equipment that I'm gonna need to install it, which is the self-leveling Dicon, as well as the Dicon tape, I believe it's called. And this is actually brake controls for the trailer, which I received as well. So, okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. The universal vent installation kit, lap sealant, self-leveling, white. Our new brake controller for the trailers. But the main prize that we've been wanting for the longest, the reverse fan. I'm excited. Let's get this done today. Hopefully. We're on the roof, and the first thing we're gonna do is clean it off. Okay, now what we're gonna do now is remove the dome that I put on last time. Okay, now what I gotta do next is remove all this gunk from the roof. It's gonna take some time. How about I speed through it? Okay, now that I got most of the gunk up, it's time to drill out the screws. Okay, now that that's off, what I'm gonna do now is mostly try to take off the remaining of this, and then we'll get started. Okay, now got that cleared up as best as possible. Let it all around. Now let's go downstairs and remove the inside part of it so it can fit properly. Welcome downstairs. Now we're gonna remove this white piece here and replaced by this one. So as you see how that one is just about 2 inches thick, this one comes in at about 4, so I gotta cut this down to like about 2. I marked the corners 2.5, 2.25 distance from bottom to top, and now what I'm starting to do is cut through this. I just cut this piece, bent it back. Let's speed through this. Okay, now looks nice, good. Just about the same size, you would say. Okay, now I tapped the fan wire along with the light wire and a negative. All of this is negative, and I did the same thing for the positive. The light positive connected to the positive wire and clamped everything together. Check on the power and then put everything together. Let's go see if we have power. Power in the lights, power in the fan, and reverse. So we got power. All right. Now that that's in place, we're gonna go back to the roof. We're gonna try to install the rest. see if it works, and then we'll come back up here and clean up. I screwed it in and kind of looks good. Let's take out this light. Plugged in. First, check the light. Ooh, got power. Now, check the fan. It spins and it's blowing. So we're good right there. 2-speed, 3-speed. Pretty strong, I would probably say. And it's quiet. There's the off switch in the middle, so you can turn it off that way or turn it off on 0. And this will turn it off. Or it reverses it. That's what the reverse switch is. So now instead of pumping, it's gonna pull and suck it out. That's good. Now, let's clean up. Welcome back. Well, today was definitely a long day, but I was able to get the vent installed. And it's working great so far. But this is definitely just another upgrade for our long trip coming ahead, and we definitely needed this. As we said in our previous video, we just want this one to suck in, since the other one only pushes out. That way when we're driving down the road, this sucks, that pulls, and it can just keep it a little bit better, that when we pull over, it's not so hot and so crazy inside. So far this one is working good, and it's a reverse switch, which is definitely a good one. So we're hoping that this one definitely do good at night, day, and whatnot, blow on us since it's over the bed, and suck out all the smoke air every time we're cooking. But this was definitely a long day. I'm glad to take you down with me. Like I said, this was not a how to install it, but thank you for coming along as we get ready for our biggest trip that we're about to go. Now keep an eye out for that. We'll let you know where we're going next, and just keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also our new one, Patreon. Keep an eye out for all of those. Just follow us on Proceeding Onward in America on all 4 of those sites, and as well everything that we used and everything that I purchased from Amazon, you'll find it at the bottom of the link as well. So don't forget to subscribe and have some fun out there in the real world and enjoy what we can. So thank you once again. Have a great day.